Hi everyone. So in our last video we implemented couple of themes, primary theme, blue theme, red theme, but we didn't code the implementation of persisting the themes. So if we change to red theme and if we rerun the app, it will not actually persist the red theme. So in this video we'll learn how to persist the red theme. So to persist the red theme, we wanna use shared preference to store currently selected theme. And to do that, first remember what theme actually changed to shared preference. And to do that, let's wrap it with void future, because we need async here. And preference would be avoid shared preference dot get instance. Yeah, it will give us the instance. Now let's preference dot set string. We wanna make the key theme. Inside the set string, you see that is key and value, and we are just currently hard coding the theme text. It doesn't matter for just one single file, and we'll not reuse it, so it's okay to hard coded it for now. And the value will be app theme. The theme user will currently change to app theme dot run type dot toString. So we wanna actually save the exact theme class name to our shared preference. So then later we will cross check it and emit the stored theme. So if you go to the runtime type, you see that a representation of the runtime type of the object. Simply what it does, actually it returns the string of the class. So for light theme it will be light theme, all the first letter of L and theme will be capital. So that's we store here, and what it does say, okay, so it says that you need to make await, and we'll emit the theme. So whenever user will change the theme, we will save it to the preference. And then we also need to actually get the theme from preference and emit it initially. So to do that, we also need to come here and we have to set a body, and inside that let's call load theme. So in the constructor of this one, we will so in the constructor of this theme qubit, we will load it from shared preference. So just copy the preference value here, and now we want to get the stored theme, right? So theme would be our preference dot get string, and the key will be theme. There are so many ways you can do that, runtime type, or you can have multiple enums, you can map them, but we are using just a runtime type for now. It doesn't actually matter that much. Okay, now async, and for that we have to also make it future. Okay, now we wanna check which theme is actually this theme one. So we wanna check this theme string with all of our theme. So that will be Swiss theme, and for case, the case number one will be light theme, and if it is light theme, we wanna emit the light theme. And if it's light theme blue, how we know this light theme red? So how we actually know the text will be this one? So inside light theme blue and its runtime type will actually return us the same string of the class name. I think you get it, no need to explain it that much. This is very simple stuff. Light theme blue, All right, and we think we have one more theme, that would be light theme red, emit light theme red, and let's set default as well. If we can't find anything, we will stick with our primary light theme. So that's done. Yeah, so that's done. Now if we rerun the app and if we select red theme, the red theme comes here and it saves the runtime type in the preference, and also it emits the red theme. Then if we rerun the app, we should see that we will currently have our red theme selected. Let's wait a bit. Yeah, so red theme is now selected, and if you select the blue one and if you rerun the app, restart the app, you will see the blue one. So this is how we can make our theme persistent, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.